Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Charger for HP Laptop Computer 65W45W Smart Blue Tip Power Adapter. Output max 19.5V 3.33A 65W. Also compatible with 19.5V 2.30A 45W, input volt range, 110-240V/, blue tip size, 4.5 by 3.0 mm, original HP laptop power supply AC adapter charger cord replacement by Hebo. Number 2. 65W AC charger fit for HP Probook. Output wattage, 19.5V 3.33A 65W, works with 19.5V 2.31A 45W laptop, input volt range, 110-240V 50 to 60 Hz connector size, 4.5 3.0 mm blue barrel connector. Please make sure the charger adapter fit your laptop. Number 3. 200W laptop charger fit. Devices, PC, compatible phone models, HP Omen 1517 EliteBook 1517 Pavilion Gaming 1517 NV 15 2020 TPN DA10L00818-850 ADP 200 HB laptop charger 15 DH0005 La TPN LA21 TPN LA20 power laptop AC adapter. HP Omen 1517 EliteBook 1517 Pavilion Gaming 1517 NV 15 2020 TPN DA10L00818-850 ADP 200 HB laptop charger. Number 4. 45W 19.5V 2.31A for HP laptop charger blue tip. Compatibility with all HP laptops, 19.5V 2.31A 45W, blue tip connector, fit for HP 15 Notebook, HP Pavilion X360, HP Stream, HP Spectre X360, HP EliteBook, HP Chromebook laptops with blue tip power connector. Number 5. New Slim 65W laptop charger replacement. Output, 19.5V 3.33A 65W, compatible with 19.5V 2.31A 45W, input, 100-240V divided by 50-60 Hz, connector, 4.5 mm x 3.0 mm blue tip, compatibility with the following HP Smart Blue Tip models 65W/45W. Pavilion X360 11 13 15 cubic meters, NVX 360 X213 15 M6.